Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Land Rover 3-litre diesel and we are getting P0234, as you can see on the screen, turbo supercharger over boost. Now engine management light comes on, it's intermittent, I'm sure it is for most of you. Then you'll get DPF warning and then it'll become into a solid red DPF engine management light, and the car will go into full limp mode then. But in the amber warning it may not come up. However, if you're getting this warning, now this is just a guide. I am going to go through it. I'm going to show you. Doing some background checks, doing some checks on the vehicle, obviously. The common issue, the most common issues are this one here, the throttle body that causes it, as well as the transducers. So we can already see the transducer has been changed. Customers already changed it. Looks like they've tried to eliminate it and it hasn't worked. So the other alternative is this here. So we will check to see if the throttle body has clogged up, because usually what happens is it clogs up and sticks. So we'll go through it. It's really easy to work on. It's nothing crazy, so I'll show you step by step. First thing first, there's this here. We'll just pop something through, lift it up and get it out of the way. You've got these sensors, just be wary. And this pipe in here. So everything's come off, guys, and it looks clean, but when I do this it's quite rigid. Like I feel like it holds there, look, and then goes loose. There is a solidness in there, so here's okay. So it looks like it's catching on something probably around here, or the valve inside is not in the best condition. It does look like they have changed it in the past days, but I can still see that this is faulty. This is why we always, oh, there you go. So there you go. So there is a quite solidness in there, so that's probably what's causing it. So what we recommend is clean it, as it's not the hardest thing in the world. If this works, good. If not, then we do recommend that you replace it. But like we said, this could be the cause of it, guys, or the transducer here, which kind of controls the air system within the so you've got this one here and you've got this one as well, so there's two in total. But yeah, I'd do a smoke test before trying to, you know, change this, guys, because sometimes there could be boost leak. Check for boost leak. If there isn't, then do change it. And of course, guys, once you change the component, or just use some WD-40 to, like, as we said, clean it first. Use some WD-40 to make sure the valves are cleaned up and whatnot. I would recommend doing a diagnostic scan just to reset the adaptation of the mass airflow system and other components as well. And hopefully this should kind of completely cure it. If not, just change the component and again use a diagnostic machine to reset it. But that's what's causing it. We've used some WD-40. Hopefully this will eliminate it. We've done the full scan and clear that in that sense and reset it, so it's just a case of test drive it. But the most common is this and then after.